Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to draw Spider-Man 2099 from Across the Spider-Verse. Now, he was one of my favorite characters. I'm going to just start by drawing a line of symmetry because I want him to be the same on both sides, and I'm going to construct him up using some simple lines. He's got some really cool wide shoulders. Now, I like the look of the character. Doesn't mean that I like the character in there. He was sort of like the boss guy of the, if you've seen the movie. Just drawing a bit of a line here, that's like his pecs, and then his waistline comes in. So notice that the line of symmetry helps keep it the same on both sides. So just mapping on each side here, and then here, and then the feet and the boots. Notice that it's basically just shapes and lines there. Okay, so I'm looking at the proportions. Yep, so there's his arm, there's his forearm. It's got that cool, if you've seen the movie, the cool wrist guard. And I'm just going to draw that for his hands because they're going to be tricky. And then he's got these cool blades that come off the side there. I think that's probably what my favourite part of him is those cool blades. He's got these. Now I like to draw in pencil because it just helps construct him up in pencil, because it helps get all the details and proportions accurate before we add all the details in. Comes out at an angle like that. Okay, I'm going to start with the top of the head. So he's got his helmet comes in. Okay, so we've got to match that on the other side. Comes down, around, back up, in and around. There's his face. So that's, and I'm just going to finish off his chin there. Now he's got this part on his shoulder. So it comes down. And there's the outline. I'm going to probably do most of the outlines before I start putting in all the details. Bring that up, that's his arm up into there. Do the same on that side. Bring that around. There we are. Okay, the spider is pretty tricky, but let's start with this part here. Comes up, and then he's got the first part coming in. So up. So this now comes down, in, out, and around. So it comes, and then this part here comes in to join here, kicks around, comes out, and then that gets thinner. Now the more you draw, remember, the better you're going to get. So that's got to go in, out to there like that. That comes in, then it spins around to like that, in and around up to there. And that comes around and joins down like that. So that's his arm pieces. Now he's got a leg that comes down even further like that, further like that. Then in here it's got this little piece like this. Okay, then he's got this little diamond piece there. This is the middle of the spider. Such a cool design. Middle of the spider like that. Now he's got this piece here like this, rounded into a point, and then he's got a little negative piece here that explains that bit, and then he's got this piece here that comes across and slots into there. Same with this one, slots into there. Now I've drawn that on first. I could have used a gel pen to do that, but I thought I wanted to get that looking good. Now his body comes in, there's his pec, and it comes right in. It comes right in, and comes out for his little leg. He's got big thigh muscles, like that. And then he's got comes in, and then he's got his calves coming out, and then into his boot. Got red sole on his boot. Don't forget when we put the shading on, it's going to look way better. Then he's got a V on his knees. Let's bring his neck up into there. Now this is another tricky part. So he's got a blade that comes up like this and back in, and then he's got this other piece that looks like this. Now he's got the same on this side, so it comes out around, kicks back in, and then he's got another piece that you only see a little bit of there. He's got this cool thing on, and then he's got his hand. So I'm going to draw the front of his hand now. Now that's his thumb. And then he's got these bits, red bits. That's going to look way better once I colour that in. Hands are pretty tricky, especially on superheroes like that. V on the knee.